Hello, and welcome to another video. Tell me it works. In this video, we will be looking at the Samsung DVD player 1080p8 to show you guys the features, what it comes with, if there's any flaws, and show you that it works. So let's get to it. All right, as I stated, here is the DVD player, the Samsung's 1080p, plays full HD. And here's the remote. Excuse my squeaky chair. So let me. You have the video select, HDMI select, repeat AB. You have your power, your open. Let's see. May need new batteries. Let me check it out. Okay, it was the battery, so it will need some two AAA batteries to show you guys that you can hit the power button, and it's gonna turn this on. It's like it's a little hesitant, not hesitant, but it's loading. There we go. No disc. All right, see if we can open it up. Okay, we can. Now let's put a disc inside. All right, I'm gonna put Alvin and Chipmunks to squeakle. I think, no, this is Chipwreck. Now let's see how that works. So it's loading, as you can see. It's loading. It says it right down here. Now it's about to play. Alright. So you see that it works from here. I'm going to try to skip it. Oh, it won't let me skip. Let's see. Let me try rewind. Nope, won't let me rewind. All right. Now let's skip.
My family loves watching movies on DVD, but we're not always at home to watch them. With digital copy, it's really easy to take our favorite box movies anywhere we go. It takes just a few minutes to transfer to your computer.
Now let's go see if we can go to the main menu.
And then I can put it on my laptop.
That's where you press disc menu to go to let the disc begin. There we go. All right, I want to show you guys some more of the features right here, just in case like you don't have the remote or you end up losing it. You know, your eject button is right there. Your power button is the blue button right there. Here you have your fast forward, rewind, fast forward, skip, your stop, your play and pause. On the back, you have your auxiliary, your audio and video components. Right back here, your outs, your ins. But this will come with a HDMI cord, so you don't have to worry about that. So it will come with that. And that's it. And then you have an optical for digital audio out right here. And so like I said, it does work and everything. And also you have your remote, which will need 2 AAA batteries. So again, this is the Samsung DVD player 1080p8. you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Really appreciate it. And whoever may purchase this, I will put this included. This will just be for free. So, you know, your child or maybe your family can watch it for a movie night. Just to throw that in there. Whoever purchased it, really appreciate it. So, again, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day. Stay dry, stay warm, stay cool, stay safe. Till next time, God bless.